What is up, guys? Today we have the Dolphin Proteus DX4 pool cleaning robot here, and this thing is amazing. Now this is the DX4 in a lineup of 3 different models. You have the DX3, this DX4, and the DX5, and there are a few differences with the 3 there, but in my opinion this DX4 is the best cleaner of the 3, and I'll explain why. First, this DX4 comes in at about 18.5 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight. I've used some cleaners before that are double that weight, so this one comes in at only 18.5 pounds, and it's very good for people that have a hard time lifting heavy objects in and out of the pool. The DX4 is designed for pools up to 50 feet, and it's got this 60-foot cable here with an anti-tangle swivel here, so that's actually really great. The DX3 is designed for pools up to 33 feet, and it does not have this anti-tangle swivel here. The DX4 here actually has what they call Clever Clean technology. So when you put this robot into the pool and turn it on, the first 10 minutes it will actually map your pool and scan it out and find the most efficient way to clean it. The DX3 model does not have that technology. This DX4 has what they call power stream technology. If you take a look right here on the left side right here, there's this water jet over here. On the back over here, there's a water jet, and on the right side of this is also a water jet right there. And this actually works really well to help control the robot when it's cleaning your pool, especially the water line. Yes, this robot actually cleans the water line here, and these jets, this power stream technology here helps it clean the water line and moves it to clean the water line. So it's actually really great. So this DX4 actually cleans all surfaces of your pool, the floors, the walls, and the water line, which is really great. The DX3 does not clean the water line. That's only a premium feature of the DX4 and 5. In terms of cleaning power, go ahead and take a look at this here. You've got a brush right here, and you've got a brush right down here. Big brushes here, more than enough power to basically knock debris loose for it to suction up into the vacuum there. It's got these hyper grip tracks here on the side of the cleaner here, and these notches in these tracks basically help it grip to the surfaces really well. So in terms of the debris canister for this DX4, it's really easy. It's a top easy access handle here. You pop it open just like that, and the filter handle actually pops up for you to grab, and you pull it up just like this, and you can see it is an extra large debris canister filter here. So it's actually really great, really easy clean. You just go ahead and pop that latch there, and it releases all that debris there, and you spray it down with a hose, lock it back into place, and pop it right back into the robot here and close it up just like this, and you're good to go. The DX3 on the other hand has a smaller canister. So now you know the differences between the DX3 and the DX4. This is why I love the DX4. But it's not to say that the DX3 is bad, it's just the DX3 is designed for smaller pools or above ground pools. For bigger pools or smaller pools and more power, the DX4 works really well, and it's my pick. Now, what's the difference between the DX4 and the DX5? Well, there really is only one difference. It's the exact same robot, the DX4 in the DX5, but the DX5 has Wi-Fi. So what that does is it opens up a number of cool features. When you download the My Dolphin Plus app, you can actually access extra features to this robot. You can actually control your robot to move left and right, up and down. It'll actually send you notifications on the status of the robot and when it's done. And you can schedule different types of cleaning modes and different timers to clean on this robot through the app. So the DX5 is actually really great to have if you want those extra features, if you want to be able to control it through Wi-Fi. You can control this basically anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. But like I said, it is not necessary. The DX4 is the same thing but without the Wi-Fi, and that's why this is my pick out of the Proteus lineup. So let's go ahead and put this guy in the pool and I'll show you how well it works. Alright guys, so one thing I do want to mention is that when you first put the DX4 into the pool, you want to give it at least 10-20 minutes to map out your pool, because that's what it does. At the beginning, it's not going to immediately start cleaning, going full power, thrusting up the water line and things like that. You have to let it scan the pool. It does that first, the first 10-20 minutes. Okay guys, so take a look at the Proteus here. It's going over my main drain here, and what happens is it does get stuck. It'll back up and move around it, and it'll keep going forward, and it might hit it again. But the fact is, this does get stuck on the main line, but it pulls itself out. it's semi stuck on it, but the fact is it can get out of the main drain. Some pool cleaners will get stuck on it and stay there and you have to pull it out. Some pool cleaners will go right over it, no problem. This one gets stuck on it, but it's able to get out of it, so that's actually really cool. As long as it gets out of it, I'm happy with that. Alright guys, so take a look at the DX4 there. It does climb walls here. It's climbing my step right here. This is about 3.5 feet tall, and it will actually climb up my step just like so and clean the wall of that there. It's actually really great. Take a look at him now. He's actually going up my step. This is my steepest step, 3.5 feet up, and look at him go. That's a really great feature to have. He'll actually climb up my steps to clean it just like that, and it actually reaches the water line there too. And if you want to go ahead and take a look, it has that power stream technology, so you can see it's actually moving to the left and cleaning the water line and moving. That is awesome. That is one thing that's noted for the Proteus series, the DX4 and the DX5 here. So that's actually awesome. It's moving along the water line to clean it. So overall, if you guys are looking for a really great pool cleaner, one that cleans all surfaces, floors, walls, and water line, one with the anti-tangle cord here so it never gets stuck in the pool, and one with a large debris canister, then this Dolphin Proteus DX4 is definitely the way to go. Definitely something I recommend.
We hope this review helps.